should sail through.
Kat banang mi kisngi ka Jingdheng kali ha Shillong kala nangjur kumta ka bor penyak district kala Sngaukhia lo ka Jingbon ki kali ki baya ya kenong ba. Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills SC Sadhu ulaong ba ki bor penyak district ka ya trailang bat ki pulit bat katna transport bat wat ya ki lat ki lenti ha ka banwanra Khambon ya ki one way zone ha kenong ba. Udisi ulah kerpat igi kena pulih bagi nong tray office ban pendon kam igi kali pat ba agar jaka banra igi kali shimet nabakani kan pendunai ke Jingdheng kali ha kenong ba daga bakubur bakar kompenya kali Shillong kala long ka bala khamrem kum tau disi ulah benrap ba ka jing pentrai kam kala ya syat ban marmot ya barok ke kompenya kali masendap ke election Lok Sabha.
Traffic condition in the city. And also we are again checking the routes in the city so that we are exploring the possibility of going for this one ways in many areas. That also we will immediately take up after elections. But this is also one of the areas along with the garbage. This is of cause of concern for us as the number of vehicles are increasing day by day. And this is in fact creating a lot of inconvenience for the people who go to children who go to the school and people who go to offices and people who have emergency tasks to do. And this should be addressed, and district administration is working with all stakeholders to address this.
Kum shibenta ban rakhe ya kalingkho snam